Hi everyone, and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk to you about the optional extras, features and of course overall condition of this 320D M Sport Saloon. The vehicle itself is presented in the Estoril blue, and alongside that we've fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. The vehicle itself comes with the M Sport Plus pack from BMW, so that includes the much larger front and rear M Sport Plus brakes, the sun protection glazing on the rear windows alongside the heated front Dakota leather seats and the Harman Kardon surround sound, all of which we'll take a close-up look at very shortly. At the front of the vehicle you'll see it is a 2016 66 reg and has the very striking LED headlamps. Alloy wheels on this vehicle are the 19-inch 442M. Optional extra upgrade alloy wheels once again, and they are finished in the original Bi-Orbit grey and come with the premium mixed run flat tyres, and again all of them are in good condition. At the side of the car we've got the satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. Again you'll see the overall condition of the car is very good, and we'll walk around and show you that, and of course get onto the interior very shortly. Again, just showing you off those optional extra M Sport Plus brakes, which of course are not only larger for both disc size, you also have a much enhanced brake pad compound put in there for that little bit of extra safety. Moving towards the rear of the car, again we've got satin rear diffuser and spoiler, and of course overall condition is very nice. Moving towards the other side of the vehicle, again you'll see just how well these two colour combinations do work. Thanks to the sun shining through into the showroom today, you'll see just how well the Estoril blue does shine up. And again, taking you for a closer look at the 19-inch alloy wheels. And of course I'll now take you around for an in-depth look at the interior. For this vehicle there you can see it does come with the black Dakota leather, which as I've mentioned does come with the heated seat option in the front along with the electric lumbar option. And on this vehicle there is that fantastic Harman Kardon surround sound I was telling you about. In the rear of the 3 Series Saloon you've got an Isofix 3-seat rear bench with a centre folding armrest and of course a darkened M Sport headline, and as you can see there, once again all in very nice condition, and I'll try and show that off as best as possible. As I've mentioned, we've got a lot of sun shining into the showroom, which we're of course always grateful of. Sometimes it can affect the camera, sun shines through, reflects onto the lens, or of course shines off these very shiny vehicles we have, and sometimes can cause me a little bit of problems, but I'd always try and show the vehicles off to my best of my ability. And of course a very large luggage compartment on the 3 Series, along with the nicely presented genuine floor mats, which will of course accompany the vehicle as well. So moving back round now, I'll go ahead, take a seat inside the car and just go through one of the two other features of the interior in a bit more detail. You will of course see the optional extra dark burnt walnut trim, which in my opinion does suit the Estoril blue very nicely, and again all in fantastic condition. Starting the car up, we'll just explore a couple of the features that are situated on the BMW business navigation and media screen. First of all, starting with the navigation, of course, as you can see they're all working correctly, and a very nice user system it is indeed. Bluetooth for telephone and audio, DAB radio along with a wide array of multimedia inputs including all of your AUX, USB and Bluetooth audio needs. Dual climate control, as you can see down here, along with these switches for the heated seats which I've mentioned. So not only have we got that fantastic 190 brake horsepower 2-litre diesel up front, we've also got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox on this car, which means we get these lovely flappy pedals behind the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, alongside the cruise, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls as well. The vehicle itself has covered just over 40,000 miles, as you can see on screen now, and all in all is in fantastic condition throughout. So with all our walk arounds guys, I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. Of course, if you do have any questions or comments, please do drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you. And again, I'm just going to try and show you off those much larger brakes. You'll also find all of the links to our website and of course contact information down below in the description, and that way you can get in touch with us here, or of course have a look in the vehicle in a bit more detail, along with all of the still images of this fabulous looking car, along with all of our other amazing examples. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and of course if you do want to stay up to date with all of the latest and newest stock here at Your Next Car, remember to click that subscribe button, and that is the best way to do so. Again, thanks for taking the time. Most of all though, hope to see you very soon. Thank you, take care and goodbye.